My grandparents had a collection of bird figurines from around the world. They lived on floating glass shelves above the piano, hundreds, made of wax and wood, crystal and glass, wire and straw. There were 3 wooden owls, almost perfect spheres, aside from little bumps for ears and talons, painted orange and green. A kiwi spun out of blue glass with an icicle-sharp beak that drew blood more than once. And a duck studded all over with tiny diamond-shaped mirrors, sporting the very real, very shriveled feet of some poor dead pigeon. I wish now that I had crushed them all. Every handmade feather, every delicate glass eye. I wish that I had ripped the shelves down and ground them under my feet till there was nothing left but a bloody paste. It's a cruelty to let fragile things live today.